Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Outlook notifications are not working. And for this right now we are in our Outlook, and if we refresh this page or receive an email, the notifications are not working. So what we need to do now is click left in the top, then click on settings, then notifications, and then it says he needs to send you to the Apple settings. Now, then right now we click on open settings, and right now if you can see our notifications right here are standing on off. So we click on it, allow notifications, and then right here if you can see we turn everything on, and this is how you can solve this problem. The second option is to update your Outlook. So go to the App Store, then right here search for Outlook. Right here, then click on it and make sure that you have the newest version of this application. So this is the second solution. All right, these are the two solutions that will work for you. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.